Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're tired of having the regular chapati or roti for dinner and lunch and are looking for some variety, then today's recipe might be of help to you. I've made a Suji coriander roti which has very few ingredients and is very simple to make. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. So I've taken some wheat flour, some Suji or Rava. I'm adding some turmeric and salt into it, along with some finely chopped coriander, onions and green chillies. Now we mix all of this together nicely and then add water little by little and make it into a roti or a chapati dough. So I'm just going to add water little by little and get the dough ready. So the dough is forming and it's ready now. Let's keep it aside. Now let's add a little bit of flour. Take a portion of the dough, roll it into a ball, flatten it into a peda, and then start rolling the roti. And I've got several other recipes of parathas and rotis. The link is above. Do check it out. So we're just going to roll it out nicely. Be gentle with the rolling. Since there's onions, there's a chance that the dough will break. Now if the edges are really rough, you can use a mold to cut it. So I've cut and got the parathas or the rotis ready. Now let's cook them. So I've got a pan on heat. I'm going to put in the roti and I'm going to grease this with some oil or ghee. I'm using ghee, you can use oil as well. And then we'll cook it from both sides until there are brown spots and the roti is nice and done. So once done, this roti can be served with any gravy of your choice, or you can have it just with some raita or pickle. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.